Dave here at SOM Trailers, somtrailers.com. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. I'm going to give you a video tour on a really nice custom trailer we just built for a customer out in California. It's a 4-star, 6-horse head-to-head trailer with an option to haul a 7th horse. And you know, when it comes to these head-to-head units, 4-star is absolutely at the top of the game. We'll take you around here, kind of show you what it's all about. This trailer's got tandem 10K air ride axles under it, hydraulic brakes, Alcoa wheels, Michelin tires. They give you this nice little voltage readout on your, kind of looks funny in the sun here. It's not really doing that when you look at it. Voltage readout on your battery, so you always know how charged your batteries are. Trailer's 8 wide, 8 tall, 38 foot on the floor. This trailer has 5 ramps on it. Everything in the middle has a roll-away divider on the sections so that you can move the least amount of horses possible when you're loading and unloading. Everything's fully lined and insulated. This trailer's got a WERM floor in it, poured front to back. It's a solid wall there. It's got your Dutch doors over the ramps everywhere. These easy lift ramps are literally light enough where you can pick them up with 2 fingers, 3 fingers. I mean, they're very, very nice to use. You can get a look at the roll-away dividers in here. Everything is so easily removable and movable. Everything has Phylon bushings and pins in it. It's rattle-free technology. There's really nice fit and finish on these trailers. Again, everything's fully lined and insulated. It's got fans on all the stalls. Got your 3/4 escape door here. Feed bags. They got the fins, which offers a flow-through option without the horses technically being able to see each other. It's pretty nice. Your angled pull-out ladder. 8-foot hay pod up there. John's going to hop in here and kind of demo how easily these bars and stuff move out of the way.
Let's get a zoom in of this quality, full-size, integrated snap pin. That is such a positive, quiet lock. I really love this design that 4-star has, and it's so simple to use. And then their double pivot point on these butt bars, and they come right out if they're in the way. I love this. Stay up there for a second. There we go. This one we do have to take out and get this door open. Not a big deal. That didn't take very long to get all the way up front.
Yeah, super quiet technology, super ride quiet technology in these trailers, and just really high quality fit and finish on all your welds. Everything's fully removable. All these gates will roll away to help with loading and unloading.
And these head dividers, the operator, the finger deal is all the way down here. You just swing it out of the way if you need extra room or got to go over to the other side. And it's got a roll pin, like a little catch right here, so it holds it open for you, so you can bring it back and you just hit the pin, line it right back up.
They really hit the mark on this design that they've integrated into their head-to-head units. Then you got 2 more side ramps on this side. They will build these trailers 8.6 wide as well if you want them to. The only problem with that is if you do build them 8.6 wide, you won't be able to do the easy lift ramps because those assemblies do stick off the side of the trailer a couple inches. And you'd be maxed out on width. Like I said, do us a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. Check us out at swmtrailers.com. And if you have any interest in designing a nice custom head-to-head trailer like this, give us a call. Thanks for watching.